If you're putting your home on the market, industry stats prove that a staged home sells, not only faster, but for more money. There are two types of staging. There's vacant staging, usually common with a new home, but that's when a home is empty and a stager comes in and fills it with furniture and artwork and decor. There's another type of staging when you're selling your own home while living in it, and we call that occupied staging. And this is where a professional organizer and stager can help you. As both a certified professional organizer and accredited staging professional, I love helping my clients get their homes ready to put on the market. Our main goal is to make that home look amazing in photos. Buyers, when they begin their search, do all their search online. They're perusing hundreds of listings, and you need to make yours stand out and pop from the rest. So check this out. Watch as we transform this home from something pretty standard to something spectacular.